In this tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to copy and paste layers in Photoshop. Easy step. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks about Photoshop. So with that being said, let's get started. So ordinarily, we can copy and paste shapes, image, design, or text as the case may be. Even the background in Photoshop can be copy and paste. So let's see how we can copy and paste shape in Photoshop. So the very first thing I want to do here is to head over to my tools bar right here. I'm going to select my rectangle right here. Then having selected my rectangle, I'll come to the top here. I'll make sure shape is checked. Then I'll make sure I fill it with this yellow color right here. Then I will simply draw my rectangle right here. Now, having drawn my rectangle, next thing I need to do is to go back to my move tool. Then we want to make a copy. So for us to do that, we have to go to the home tab right there. We go to edit. Then we have to make sure we look for copy. Okay. Next thing we want to do is to go back to edit again. We make sure we look for paste. And automatically, we are going to have the layer duplicate or copy to another layer. So we can simply drag this layer to another side. So basically, we can change the color of this new duplicate shape. So for us to do that, we have to come to the shape property right here. We can change the color to this type of blue. If you draw your shape and you did not see property of the shape, so what you need to do is to simply go to window. Then from window, you have to look for property, make sure it's checked. And once your property is checked, you are going to see this window right here. It's as simple as that. Okay, now let's say we want to basically copy and paste in place. So for us to do that, we can use this particular shape right here. So we go to edit, we make sure we copy. Okay, then we go back to edit again. Then we have to go to paste special. Then this one now, paste in place. Okay, so having clicked on paste in place, the shape has been copied and pasted in place. The reason why we could not see the copy one is because of the fact that this particular paste one here is still the same color. So for us to know if we are copy and paste a certain shape, what we need to do is to come to the color right here. We can simply change this color to this type of red color. Now we have it right here. Next thing we can do here, we can simply resize the shape. So for us to do that, we go to edit from the top right here. Then we have to go to free transform. Then we can simply shrink this shape down a little bit right here. So you see now we have a shape that was copied and pasted on original shape. So once we satisfy, we come to the top here, we click on this check mark, and that is that. We can also align this particular shape to fit into the center. For us to do that, we just have to press Ctrl key down our keyboard and select the second shape, the original shape. Then we come to the top here, we make sure we align to the vertical center and align to horizontal center. So we have a perfect shape alignment like this. So this same method here also can be used to copy and paste text. For us to do that, we can simply come to the layer right here, we create a new layer. After we make a new layer, we have to click on our type tool and make sure we choose horizontal type. Then right here, we can see by default color here, our foreground color is white. So we need to change this to another color. We have to click on here, and I'm going to make sure I use 100% black, and I'll click on OK. Then I will change the font style right here to medium. Then I will come here and type and make a type. So copy and paste. Okay, so I'm going to press Ctrl plus A just to select the text. Then I'll come to the font size here. I'm going to reduce it, increase this to something like 48. I can use this slider here to increase it more until I'm satisfied with the font size like this. So I'm good with this. Then I have to go back to my move to right here. Then we have the text properly typed right here. Now for us to copy this text, what we need to do is to simply go to edit. We make sure we look for copy. Then we go back to edit. We make sure we look for paste. So you can see now we have its duplicate and it fits into the center. So we can drag the duplicate one to anywhere we want it to be. as the case may be. We can also format this particular text color. We can reduce the font size and the like. So basically, this is how you can copy and paste shape or text or image in Photoshop. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks about Photoshop. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.